In this guide, we'll walk you through creating your MetaMask wallet, your secure gateway to the world of digital assets. Step 1. Install MetaMask. First, you need to install the MetaMask extension on your browser. A quick word of caution: the internet is full of fake apps pretending to be MetaMask. Always start by visiting the official MetaMask website to avoid scams. Step 2. Add the extension. For this example, we'll use Chrome, but the steps are nearly identical on other browsers. Head to the Chrome Web Store, find MetaMask, and click Add to Chrome. Then, click Add Extension when prompted. Step 3. Create your account. Once installed, MetaMask will open and give you two options: create a new wallet or import an existing one. Step 4. Set up your wallet. If you're new, select Create a Wallet. Agree to the terms of use, then create a strong password or let MetaMask generate one for you. Click Create to continue. Step 5. Secure your seed phrase. Now comes the most critical part. MetaMask will show you a unique 12-word seed phrase. This phrase is the only way to recover your wallet if you forget your password or switch devices. Write it down carefully, store it offline, and never share it. Step 6. Verify your seed phrase. Click Reveal Secret Words to view your seed phrase, then write it down. Click Next and verify the words by selecting them in the correct order. Remember, if you lose this phrase, your wallet can't be recovered by anyone. Step 7. Keep your assets secure. Is there anything you can do to protect your digital assets? Absolutely. Follow these simple steps to keep your MetaMask wallet as secure as possible. 1. Use a strong password that's difficult to guess. 2. Never type your seed phrase anywhere except your real MetaMask app. 3. Avoid exporting your private keys while sharing your screen with anyone. 4. Never connect to suspicious websites. And that's it! Your MetaMask wallet is now ready. You're all set to explore the digital asset world with confidence.